Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the length of an audio or music while you're uploading your Instagram story. So first, let's try to upload any Instagram story. For example, let's say this particular photo right here. And now if you want to add music to this, click on this music icon at the top. Now you may search for any music. So for example, I'll just use any music, like say for example, this one. And once you have selected the music, simply click on this arrow icon at the bottom, and now you have this slider here, and you can determine the length of the music that you want to put into your story. So for example, I'll say like from here. Yeah, so for example, I want the length of the music from here to here. So what I can do is simply release it and then click on this done button right here, and now it is giving me a preview of both the music as well as the photo. Once you have done this, simply click on this arrow button again and click on the share button. Just wait for the process to happen and let the story upload to the Instagram. So once your story is uploaded, you can review it after the posting has been successfully done. So let's try to wait and watch it again. So here you can see now that the story has been successfully uploaded and the music has also been changed or also added according to our specifications. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.